Hello everyone, it's me, Richpin. Today we're working on this beautiful 1998 Saturn SL2, and the problem we're having is it has an AC leak. So we gotta get in there and figure out what the problem is. After checking the system out, I found out that the service ports are leaking. So we gotta get in there and replace those valves. Now the system has a full charge in it, so we don't want to lose that. So I have a tool that will enable me to replace those cores without losing any refrigerant. So we're going to do that now. The tool we're going to use to replace those valve cores is this Master Cool set. It's a 58531, and this will enable us to replace the standard valve core here and the JRA valve core, and that's the majority of them, most of them out there. So this system will take the standard, so we're all set. We have the standard piece for the valve core. We've got a valve body and the low and high adapter. We're going to start with the high port here. We got the high port adapter, and we've got the shaft for the standard core. Now, let's go down and engage the core. There. Now let's screw down this locking nut. Now we can unscrew the core till it stops right there. And when we unscrew this, the pressure should push up on the shaft like that. Now we can close the valve. Unscrew this piece. And there's the core. Okay, I got a new core here. Okay, that's on there. Now we can open the valve. And the core is all in place. That's it. And we didn't lose our charge. We just got done replacing both high and low valve cores. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put our gauge set on and check the pressures. And if the pressures are low, we can add some refrigerant and bring it up where it should be. And I'm sure there will be no more problems, because that's where the leak was, the valve cores. So it should be all fixed. Alright guys, thanks for watching.